All creation, that is, everything created has been subdued. They have been subjected to compulsion, crushed, and contracted. The heavens have been folded by his oath. All creation, and when we say creation, the heavens are included. Because the 7 layers of the earth are not within the heavens, when we say creation, the 7 layers of the earth are also included. The supreme throne is also included. The kursi is also included. The supreme pen and the preserved tablet are also included. Paradise is included as well. Hell is also included because we are speaking of all creation. But if you say the heavens, paradise is not within them. Hell is not within the heavens and the earth. It is an independent realm outside of them. They already exist. So when we say creation, what does that mean? Everything except Allah is created. Everything except Allah is created. Where are the 7 heavens compared to all creation? Allah, exalted is He, has 18,000 universes. This world is only one of them, just one. There are 18,000 universes, and each of them has its own creations. Even in this world, there are so many creatures, and all of them are humbled and contracted beings. They are in the grasp of Allah. May His Majesty be exalted. Now, grasp here refers to Allah. This term appears in hadiths as well. There is an attribution made using the word grasp. A quality is attributed. What does grasp mean? If used for us, for example, when it comes to the beard, it should be a handful. Qabza means a handful. A handful. So when I do this, it becomes grasp. When I take my beard into my grasp, that is, into my palm, I make it a handful. I make it a handful. How is that? For me, it's an easy thing. As long as I'm not paralyzed, as long as I have strength and Allah has granted me the means. Otherwise, how would I lift my hand? Some people can't even raise their hand to their chest. For them, raising their hand to their chest is harder than lifting a mountain. If Allah gives strength, we do it like taking a handful. Now, I took my beard in my palm. But when we speak of Allah, the concept of handful does not apply far beyond such comparisons as He. A handful has a measurement, a limit, centimeters, it is bounded. Does Allah resemble anything that came after Him in creation? Far from it, He does not resemble anything in any way. That's why we say, all creation is within His grasp. An Ottoman phrase that has become part of Turkish now. What does qabza ay kudret mean? It means within the grasp of His power. Like when you speak about a person and say, don't worry about him, that guy is dangerous, he might do this or that. The other replies, don't worry, he's in my palm. Of course, the person doesn't literally fit into the other's palm. So what does in my palm mean? It means I can make him do what I want. He's under my control. I shape him as I please. I play with him in my hand. He's 70 or 80 kilos. Of course, he doesn't fit in a palm. But the meaning is, he's in my grasp. I control him. I can direct him, shape him. I move him around in my hand. This is what it means. Specifically, when spoken about people, but when spoken about Allah, all creation is within Allah's grasp. What does within His grasp mean? It certainly doesn't mean in His palm. May He be exalted beyond such descriptions. Allah is beyond having a palm like ours, beyond such attributions. Allah is beyond hands like ours. Do you understand? So when we say within His grasp, it means He has full control, that He governs. What is tasarruf? It means to manage, to control. When He wills, He heats the air. When He wills, He cools it. When He wills, He makes it snow or rain. When He wills, He makes the earth quake. You can't even shake a tiny thing here. Even if 50, 100, 1,000 people gather, they cannot shake a steel building. They can't move a concrete building. Even if 1,000 gather, shaking a skyscraper's foundation won't do anything. But if Allah wills to shake it, He can shake an entire continent like a cradle. If He wishes, He can bring the whole world to its end. All the people gather and try to shake a single building, but even a small building is not under your control. It's truly not in your grasp. But all creation is within the grasp of Allah.